Today, I'm going to show you how to install the GE Smart Fan Control. This is a smart switch that controls the fan only. In order to use the smart aspect of the switch, you're going to need a hub. A hub is like a translator between the switch itself and the app on your phone and the internet. The packaging comes with the device itself, a replacement almond paddle, a neutral wire, and the instructions. Additionally, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a voltmeter. If you don't have a voltmeter, that is okay. All right, let's begin. Once you've turned off the power, come back in and remove the faceplate from the switch itself. Once you remove the faceplate, come back and remove the switch itself. As you pull out your old switch, you will notice that there are two black wires and a green ground wire. One of these black wires is the line or the hot wire, and the other one is the load or the power supply to the switch to the device you're controlling. In order to determine which one is which, you'll need a voltmeter. So you'll want to go out and turn your power back on to your outlet. Now that I've turned the power back on to my outlet, I'm going to determine which wire is the line wire or the hot wire. To do this, I'm going to use my voltmeter and touch the red probe to both wires. If the light indicates red, that means that it will be the line wire. If it does not, that is the load wire. So this one is going to be the load, and this one is going to be the line. Now I'm going to go out and turn the power off. If you don't have a voltmeter, that's all right. You can install your switch and turn the power back on. If the blue light turns on, then you've installed it correctly. If the light does not turn on, turn the power back off, switch your wires, and then turn the power back on. If the light turns on, now you've correctly installed the wires. Now that I've removed the tabs, I'm going to install the wires. If you notice on the switch, there is the neutral bottom here below the tape, the line or the hot wire, and the load wire. First thing I'm going to do is install the white neutral wire, which has to be installed in order for the switch to work. Then I'm going to install the green wire. Next, I remember that this is my line wire, so I'm going to install that. And this is my load. Once I've done that, I'm going to install my neutral wire. And my ground wire. Now that I've installed all the wires, I'm going to go back out and turn my power on and make sure that this blue indicator light turns on. I turned the power on to my switch, and if you notice right here is a blue light. This blue light is telling me that it has been wired properly. I'm now going to install the switch back in and I'll be all done. But first I'm going to turn off the power before I do that. Now that I have screwed in the switch and replaced the faceplate, I'm going to press the paddle to make sure that the fan turns on. Now that I know it works, I'm going to start the pairing process. You will want to pair it with your hub. I am using the SmartThings hub, so I will open the app and select My Home. Then in the top right corner, I will select the plus symbol to add the switch. I will now press the on button of the switch, and this will begin the pairing process. Be patient, this will take a while. Once the switch has been found, you will want to rename it to whatever you want to designate the fan as. Once you've changed the name, it's going to ask if you want to pair and you'll hit OK. Then select Save. Now you want to exit the app. In order to do voice control, I use a Google Home. So I will open my Google Home Assistant. In the top right corner, I will select the picture designating my account. I will then select Home Control, find the name that designated the fan as, and now change the nickname of the fan. This is the name you're going to use when you're talking to your Google Home to control the power of the fan. Once you've done this, you will want to say where the fan is located and hit Save and back out of the app. You are all done. Now that I've paired my switch with my SmartThings hub and my Google Home Mini, I will be able to control it either using my phone anywhere, or I can control it using my voice around any Google Home Mini in my house. Hey Google, turn on Bubba fan.
You got it, turning the Bubba fan on.
In order to stop it, just say turn off, or you can even turn it to 50% or 25%. Hey Google, turn off Bubba fan.
Okay, turning the Bubba fan off.
I hope this video helped you install and pair your new smart switch. Thank you for watching.